Welcome. In this video, I want to tell you about the best features you should try on your GARMIN Bounce 2. Let's start with some basics, like notifications menu that is available once you swipe the home screen to the top. Here your child can track their steps, their active minutes, the weather outside, their active chores, challenges, music. They can also set countdowns, and also access some of the games quickly. You can also customize the notification menu by adding some glances available in here. Tap and add. Now the next feature I want to tell you about is location. The live track, locating your child, and the map view. All of these features available in this tab in the application. They are available by a subscription, by a connectivity subscription, which is available if you go to home, go to your child's dashboard, select settings, and in settings find connectivity. Then view options, select a subscription and set up a subscription for yourself and your child. You can choose between the monthly standard plan and the annual standard plan. Let me skip for now. Okay, so I'm just briefly gonna explain what it does. Here you can check your device's location. You can get directions to get to the child's location. You can live track their location in real time, and you can basically view them their location from the map. You can also change the map styles in here, from standard to satellite to terrain. Now, the next feature I want to tell you about is Chores and Rewards program that is available again in your child's dashboard. Here you can add some daily chores by going right here and tapping Add Chores. Now you can add a chores name, either enter it yourself or select one of the available presets. For example, do homework, and go back and set a value for this challenge or for this chore. Excuse me. Tap Save. Then select time. Here you actually have to select time due. So do homework before 6 p.m. Okay. And here we can add some days to do that. And you can also add an alarm for this chore, and then tap OK in the top right corner to add the chore. So today we have no chores to do. And now the reward program is also set up by yourself. To set add a reward, go to rewards. Here we already have a bike ride reward. Let's add a new one, for example. Here you can set the price for it, the reward icon, and here you have a bunch of different rewards. Okay, so for example, let's go with an ice cream. Now, reward name. Here you can either provide a reward name, or you can choose one of the presets. There is actually an ice cream preset. So tap OK. And now your child can gather coins by completing chores, and then they will be able to buy themselves rewards for these coins. So let's actually add some coins to see what it looks like. Tap Save. And now let's redeem a reward. Tap Redeem. And after that the coins meter changes, and the reward is now gained by a child. Now the next feature is connectivity. In Connect tab on your application, you can connect with the child by either calling them. You can also text them using voice messages, using text, or emoji. And your child can do that too from their smartwatch. If you go to the main menu, you have phone, messages, and check-in features. All of these features are available by subscription. So the phone and messages are understandable features, while check-in sends you the location of the child. Now there is also an emergency feature you must know about. To activate it, your child have to hold down this side button for around 10 to 15 seconds, and then the emergency icon will appear on the screen. And as you can see, this is also available by a subscription. Now the next feature I want to tell you about is the sleep tracking, which is also available. So in the sleep menu, you can track the sleep of your child. So and get to know more about their sleep habits and behaviors. You can also manually add a sleep. Select date, bedtime, wake time. Now the next thing I want to show you is the school mode and do not disturb mode for your child, which you can also set up from the settings right here. Just go to the settings, then let's find do not disturb mode. Actually, give me a moment. And in settings, go to parental controls. Here you can enable school mode, which will limit watch sounds and features during specific times. So your child can focus better. So for example, you can choose a silent mode, which will silence sounds, vibrations, and notifications. And you can also add restrictions to it, which will restrict the access to all features. Here you set the start time, the end time, and days when the school mode is active. And do not disturb is the mode that lets your child focus to sleep better. Again, you can choose from silent and restricted mode. Now the next the next feature is boundaries, which again is only available by a subscription, but it basically lets you set a boundary on a map, and if your child leaves this boundary, you will get notified on your smartphone about it. And now the next thing is actually available on the watch itself. So let's go back to the apps menu, and here let's scroll down to voice commands. It's actually an awesome feature for your child because, for example, because you can basically navigate or they basically can navigate the watch using this one feature. Let me say something. For example, set an alarm for 7 a.m. next morning. Okay, and now let's check the clocks menu, alarms, and as you can see, one alarm is on, and I'm not sure why it's not exactly 7 a.m., but still, this alarm was added with just one message. Now, the next cool feature here is music and games. Well, for music, you have to first set up Amazon Music in your account. If you once again select settings on your child's dashboard, then go to music, and here you can select an Amazon Music connection. Tap Connect Amazon Music and proceed by following the instructions. Now, as for games, you have 3 different games, or rather your child. The first one is the Math Flash, which is about solving some simple math equations. The next one is Copycat, which is about copying some patterns that show up on the screen, and your child has to copy them. And the Watchy Bestie is the game about developing healthy habits. It's I suppose it's somewhat like Tamagotchi, if you're familiar. So you just develop a healthy habit, and the egg hatches. And that's it. I think that's all the features I wanted to mention in this video. I hope that you find even more while using this device. I hope that you found this video entertaining and helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.